At sunrise, the massive pharmaceutical complex begins its daily operations. Trucks arrive with vital materials, ensuring the continuous workflow of the cleanroom facility.
Check the seals on the drums from shipment 4B.
All secure. The powder lots match the manifest.
The synchronized mechanisms seal the capsules instantly, ensuring precision at every stage before they head to the polishing systems. Check the throughput on line 3.
Looks like we are hitting the target B.
The readings on the stability samples look consistent with the accelerated data.
Agreed. We can move forward with the final report.
Documentation looks correct.
Scanning complete. Cleared for release.
This facility represents the pinnacle of pharmaceutical manufacturing, with synchronized robotic arms ensuring precision at every stage.
From raw materials to life-saving treatment, this is the future of pharmaceutical precision.
Pallet 7 scanned and verified. Destination code 4R.
Confirmed. Bay 3 is clear for immediate loading.
Around the clock, our specialized cold chain logistics ensure sensitive medicines reach their destination safely, bridging the gap between manufacturer and patient.
We're short 2 boxes of the hydrocodone. The sheet says we received them.
The scanner shows them checked in. Check the overflow area.
Do you think this brand is better?
The ingredients look similar, but this one is on sale. Here is your prescription, Mr. Jones. Take 1 tablet twice a day with food as prescribed.
Thank you very much, Doctor.